Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my top decor and decorating items from places like Kmart, Target, Ikea, and there's a couple I think from Big W. So I hope you enjoy the video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. So let's start in the kitchen. So a lot of the people you will see like on Instagram and stuff like that will actually decorate their kitchens by using a layer of different kinds of chopping boards. This is not only a practical way of decorating if you're one of those people that likes to entertain and a great way to store these items, but it also breaks up the kitchen. So if you've got like a pretty much all white kitchen, then this is a great way to add that warmth, as I was saying, by adding the woods and stuff like that in your kitchen. This is a great way of adding that warmth into your kitchen, and just by breaking up the counter space and having like a decorative element. And I've also seen these decorative pears, which are from Kmart, and a lot of people have been decorating their kitchens with them. And another item that I love that I've seen in kitchens are these hand towels. And the thing that I love about them, they've got tassels or little fringes on them. I'm totally obsessed with that at the moment. And also they have a lot of different patterns and colors, so you can find the one that matches up with your home, and it adds instantly some texture and a little bit of personality into the kitchen and breaks up some of that white, again, if you've got an all white kitchen or a very plain kitchen. Okay, next of all, let's talk about lighting. So one of the lighting pieces that I have seen, which is in Kmart, are these rattan ones. Now, you've seen me use the black version in the craft room, and the thing that I love about these is these are so renter friendly. I actually just bought the kit from online, and I believe it was very affordable, maybe $10–15 for the kit, and you can actually get all different sizes according to your ceiling height. So I just put one of those on, and then I was able to use the lampshade, which I think was only around $20. So these come in the matte black and the rattan. You can also get these in table lamps as well as floor lamps if you don't have any table space or you just prefer the floor lamp. And another lamp that I do love, which is another Kmart product, which is the marble one. So it's got quite a heavy marble base on it, and then it's matte black, and it has the globe as well. So I really like these. These are plain simple, and again, they are very neutral, so pretty much go with any sort of house. And another one that I did like that I saw, which was quite small, was the terrazzo one. Now the thing that I like about this is that because it is so small, you can pair it up with like larger decor items to give it that layer, but also provide some really practical lighting. Okay, moving on into the living area. Obviously, you can use these items in bedrooms as well, is cushions. Now, Ikea is probably the best place to go for cushions, because if you have children or pets or a husband that gets quite dirty, or you've got a job that you get quite dirty, then the reason why I'm recommending Ikea is because they have such a massive, big range in cushion covers. So rather than buying a full cushion, you could buy a heap of different colors in a lot of different patterns and textures, and you can swap these out whenever you like, and you've always got cushions on the couch. I know that I used to have this real issue where I would buy the cushions and then I would take the cushion covers off to wash them, and then I wouldn't have any covers on my cushions for like a week, because that's how long they take to dry without a dryer in the winter time. So this is just a really practical way of switching things out and keeping things clean all the time. Another place that I did see some beautiful ones from was from Target. So they had these ones with the fringe. As I said, I love the fringe, and they are quite textured, and these were in the European pillow size, and I love the big ones. They look great on a couch that is quite a large couch, is definitely get the big ones. So again, they can be used in a bedroom, but I just love the practical element of these. The other ones that I loved, which was from Target, were these ones with the tassels. I actually did see ones on the Mocha site where it was just the cover as well. So I will definitely be going onto the Mocha site and purchasing some of those, I think. But I really, really loved these. They did have another similar sort of one which was at Kmart, which was a rectangle, and it had the tassels just on the corners, very textured and very neutral color. Some other different ones, if you're not into the whole tassel textured thing like me, is these furry ones. Now, being winter where I am, I just want something so warm and cozy. So having cushions in this warm coziness just makes me just want to snuggle up on the cushion. They also have matching throws as well. I love the poppy throw, which is from Kmart. I personally have this on my daughter's bed. Now, one of the essentials I think is for any home is trays. The reason why I love to decorate with trays is because you can lift the tray up and you can wipe underneath it and put it back down. You don't have to clean it every day. It is just such a practical element, and you can use them to decorate pretty much anywhere in the home. So one of my favorite ones was this whitewash wood color. It isn't too woody for me because I'm not huge on the woods, but yeah, it is a beautiful color. The other one was a terrazzo one. You know, you guys know that I have this one. I did just put it in my bedroom. I think it looks amazing styled with jewelry. And also the mirrored one. I love anything with a bit of bling, so that is just me. You would have seen this if you've watched my Christmas video. You would have seen this style with this one as well. And I think it's one of those products that can make the room look really expensive if it's styled properly. And the other item that I've seen a lot of people style with on Instagram and Pinterest are these coffee table books. Now these ones are from Kmart and they are very affordable. I've also seen these ones at Big W. These are the Chanel books. There is actually 2 different kinds of the Chanel books as well, which are from Big W. Again, very affordable. As I said on the last video, I am going to be using photo books myself to decorate my home with because I find that they have a bit more meaning to me. But if you are happy to go and spend money on little home coffee table books, then these ones would be my picks. Okay, so photo frames. I did mention these in the last video, so I'm really not going to go into photo frames, but they do have a great range at Kmart and they do have a great range at Ikea. The Riviera ones are the most popular, and it is for a reason because they look amazing, so I'm really not going to go too much into that. Okay, and another item that is a must in a home is rugs. Now, I can't talk because I don't have any rugs in my house. I used to. My cats use them as a scratching post, so I haven't had them for a while and I really do miss them. But my pick would be this one here from Kmart. Now, I have been told that this ivory, like white and ivory sort of rug, is really hard to vacuum, and I have definitely heard some mixed reviews about this. So knowing what I know, I would just be putting this in the bedroom, but this is such a great way to add that texture into a room. And the other ones that I did like, that I did see online, were these printed rugs. And they're very short haired, so if you've got pets and kids, they are really practical. But the only thing I didn't like about it is when I did go into Kmart to feel them, they felt really, really rough, which has quite turned me off buying them. And I feel like my cat would definitely use this as a scratching post because it is so rough. But in saying that, these are the best ones to keep in a area like your living area because it is quite low pile and it's really easy to clean up. So if you've got kids and pets, it's really great for pet hair and really easy to clean up like little crumbs and stuff that's on the ground. The other place that I like for rugs is Ikea, and that is because they have a massive selection of rugs and they are really, really affordable as well. Target had these really cute ones if you're into tassels like me. It is a small one, so it would be nice under like a small little table area, like a bedside table or like a tiny little side table, because they are so small. Even under a kid's, like, you know, dining setting or something like that, these would be really cute. But I just love the tassels. I think they were really cute. Of course, they sold me on that one. And another item that I've seen a lot of people style with that I really liked were these ladders. Now the reason why I like it is because it creates storage, but it also looks beautiful. So if you've got some really nice throws that you're not using at the moment, you can display them on one of these ladders, and it's a great way if you've got like very minimal storage in your like linen closet, for instance. And you could also use these in the bathroom to store extra towels if you wanted to. Another way of storing those extra throw blankets or towels or anything like that, even kids' toys, are using baskets. One of my favorite picks were these ones here, which were from Target. I love the different patterns in the rattan. I'm not even a rattan fan, I won't even lie, but these ones here, I just really liked the woven patterns on them. I think that they were really pretty. They also do have similar ones to these at Ikea as well if you were interested. Okay, and another one of my favorite products were these $29 mirrors from Kmart. I did mention this on my last video. And Target also was another winner for me. They have this really tall, long arched mirror. Arches are in fashion at the moment. They're a big thing. They've come back in, and I love this one because it's so big and it would look amazing at the end of a hallway to make it look continuous and, you know, reflect that light as well. And I also think it would just look great even in a bedroom or something like that. It's really practical because, you know, it's so big. You could use it even in a dressing room to have a full body mirror. Now, I did see some really good plant stands in Target. These are like a 3-tiered plant stand. So if you really are into your plants, you love those neutral colors, so this would be the one that I would really recommend. And as I always say, to decorate like in 3s and 5s, and you've already got a spot for 3 in there. So you could create, and it creates at different heights for you already. And the other item that I really liked were these from Big W. Now, I'm pretty sure that these are actually meant to be vases because it says vases. But I would be adding like a chain to these and then putting like a hanging plant from these. I think that that would look really amazing. And the other thing that I think would look great in these would be those plastic fake candles. So I think that these would look amazing in these, and you would put them outside in like a patio area. I think that would look really cute. So not the little ones, I would put the bigger pillar ones in them, to be honest, and they were in the brass and the matte black. So that pretty much wraps it up for today, guys. I have left some links to the Instagram accounts that I have used today with some of the photos if you want to go and check them out. I have also left a massive list of all the products if you want to shop them as well. So definitely go and check them out if you really loved them. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you've all enjoyed it. And of course, if you want to see more from me, I do have my Instagram account and I have a Facebook page where you can catch me on throughout the week. Definitely hit me up for any suggestions of videos that you would like to see in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do for you. And I will catch up with you next week for a new video. I will see you then. Have a great week. Bye.